Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make this light animation in After Effects just in 5 minutes. But before that, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so we can soon reach 1k subs. So let's get into the video. First, we will make a composition. It will be 90-20 by 180. Let's rename it as LB. And first we will add a text on the layer. Let's give it LIGST light and make it a little bigger, around something like this. Then go to align and put it right on the middle. While holding the shift key, drag it down on the bottom and scale it a little up, something like this. Now select the pen tool, turn off the fill section, and then right on the screen, in the middle of the screen, make shape something like this while holding shift key. Make it a little bigger however you like, and then after that select the ellipse tool, then turn on the fill section, and while holding shift and control, make a circle around the layer we just made, something like this. Now it looks like a pendulum type. Let's rename it as bulb, and the other layer, let's rename it as rope. Now what we will do is we will select the rope layer and click Y, and as you can see there is the anchor point. Let's put it right on the top here. Now parent the bulb layer to the rope layer, and now if we move the rope layer, the bulb will move as well. Now we are all ready, so what we are gonna do is we are gonna put keyframe on the rope layer. So put the keyframe at like however you like, so like however you want it to move, like a pendulum or like really fast or something. So put the keyframe as you wish, and let's finish putting the keyframe first. So the keyframe is all done. Now we can like adjust the speed and everything by playing with the keyframes, moving it near and far and everything. So let's adjust the keyframe, and it looks something like this. It is nice. So let's ease in, ease out all the keyframes by clicking F9. So it looks nice now. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna adjust the keyframe as you wish you like, and so yeah, our result is ready. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna go to effects and search glow, and the glow section we will put it on the bulb, and then we are again gonna search fill. So the fill section we will put it on the bulb again, and after that we will select the color which we want to glow, like the light color which you want to put. I will put the yellow one. Then in the glow section we will copy the glow section, and we will increase the radius. I will increase it around 400, and as you can see there is like light around the circle area. Now what we will do is we will copy it again, and as you can see it is glowing. Now let's copy the bulb layer and rename it as glow text, and now put it right on top of the text area, and let's put the matte of the light in glow text. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna click glow text, click S, and play with the radius of the bulb, like as you can see in the screen. Now let's copy the glow filter, and as you can see it is looking like light bulb effect already. So play with the radius more, and yeah, it looks something like this. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna create a new adjustment layer, and as you can see, like we can search noise in the effects, noise. Let's put the adjustment layer like in like 30. Yeah, so let it put under the bulb, and if we zoom in and if we see like there are noises around the text, let me make it full. Yeah, so as you can see it looks nicer in like when it has a noise and everything, and let's put it again, fit up to 100%, and like as you can see, our result is ready.